In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a bank feed in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a disconnected bank feed, you're not alone. This quick guide will walk you through the process of getting your QuickBooks back up and running smoothly so you can continue to manage your finances with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already, open up your browser and head to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, click on the Sign In button. Remember to ensure you're on the QuickBooks Online page, as there are several QuickBooks products and you want to make sure you're working in the right environment. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for quicker access next time. Once you're on the Sign In page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password and then click Continue to access your account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any sign-in issues, and if you happen to forget your password, there's an easy option to reset it. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Transactions tab, which you can find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This section is where all of your recent and past transactions are stored, offering a comprehensive look at your financial activity. It's crucial to become familiar with this area because it's central to managing your bank feeds and keeping your accounts in order. Within the Transactions tab, look for the Bank Transactions option. Click on it to view and manage your bank feeds. Here, you'll see a list of connected accounts and their statuses, giving you a better understanding of which accounts may need attention or reconnection. Next, you'll want to identify the specific bank account that requires reconnection. Once you've found it, look for the small pencil icon adjacent to the account. This icon is key for making any edits or updates. Click on this pencil icon to open up the account settings. With the account settings open, you'll see the option labeled Edit Sign In Info. Click on this option to update your bank account connection. This step is where you'll reconnect your bank account by entering the required information. Be sure to have your banking details on hand, as you might need them for a smooth reconnection process. And that's it, you've successfully reconnected your bank feed in QuickBooks Online. As you follow these steps, you'll find that managing your bank connections can be straightforward and hassle-free. Remember to regularly check your Transactions tab to ensure everything is running smoothly. This not only helps prevent future disconnections, but also keeps your financial data up to date and accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.